Morning, y'all. All right, I'm about to like chop my beard up. 9 o'clock client. Didn't bite the hand this morning. And he just running a little bit behind, so I got a little time to for a little self-care. So I'm gonna just tighten my beard up right now. Might take the wife somewhere tonight. Ain't no might, cause we always do at night. On Saturday night. What y'all think is going on this TV? Hey, go on your TVs, right? Type in Klassix Barbering Company. Go to the page. Wait a minute. Hold on, y'all.
Winning lottery numbers coming up. Winning lottery numbers coming up.
let's start by saying thank y'all for watching this video. Thank y'all for locking in with me. Thank you thus far for all the people that's been coming through. All my subscribers, all the new subscribers, welcome. All the returners, welcome back. I'm enjoying the journey so far, continuing to push this content out. I hope y'all enjoying it as much as I'm enjoying creating, turning these cameras on every day and letting it rip, man. If y'all got some suggestions on what y'all want to see, more hair cutting, I got you. If it's more conversations, I got you with that too. If it's more outbound calls, if my clients are cool with that, I'm with it too, y'all. Class of Klassix Barbering Company. Stay locked in with us, man. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the ride, bro. Appreciate y'all.